Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something quite intriguing to explore. We'll be delving into a Python script that lets you listen to keyboard and mouse events. Yes, you heard that right. We'll be showing you how to create a script that can capture keystrokes and mouse clicks. But before we get started, let's understand what this code is all about. To kick things off, we're importing two libraries, pinpoot.keyboard and pinpoot.mouse. These libraries will allow us to interact with and listen to both keyboard and mouse events. Now, let's focus on the on_keyboard_event function. This function is responsible for handling keyboard events. When a key is pressed, it prints the key's character if it has one, or the key itself if it doesn't. Next up is the on_mouse_event function. This function is in charge of handling mouse events. It prints information about whether a mouse button was pressed or released, the mouse's coordinates, and which button was involved. Now, let's move on to creating the event listeners. We create two listeners, one for the keyboard and one for the mouse. These listeners will continuously monitor for events. It's showtime. We start the keyboard and mouse listeners. Once started, these listeners will remain active, waiting for events to occur. Lastly, we ensure that the script keeps running by using the join method on both listeners. This ensures that the listeners continue running until the script is manually terminated. And there you have it. This Python script lets you capture and monitor keyboard and mouse events. Please use this script responsibly and only for legitimate purposes, as monitoring or recording keyboard and mouse input without consent may violate privacy and legal regulations. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating coding adventures. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.